This is Anne at Avochato, and today we're excited to turn on Salesforce's Omni-Channel routing and walk you through how to start sending SMS and live chat messages directly from Salesforce's Service Cloud. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is within your Avochato settings, make sure that you have case creation turned on. This will create a case for every new conversation that comes into Avochato. Next, we're going to set up Omni-Channel with some basic case routing. Avochato will create cases with an origin depending on where it comes from. So if it's SMS, it'll come in as SMS, or if it's live chat, it'll be created with a web chat case origin. Next, we're going to just set up the present statuses. Here, when I'm available for cases, I'm just going to add the case channel to this available status. We've got a busy status as well. That one's not as interesting. It's just the standard busy configuration. Next, we're going to make sure that our customer success users have this as part of their permission set. And then we're going to set up the routing to make sure that the cases that come into this channel are handled in a timely manner. So finally, we are going to jump into the queue. So now we've got a live chat and an SMS queue. And I'm just going to add myself and one other member to this queue for the time being. Now, you can do all sorts of things with these queues. The way that we've got it set up is through case assignment rules. And as we mentioned before, case origin is the important field here, so we're using that to differentiate between our live chat queue and our SMS queue. So time to see it in action. I'm going to make myself available. And now I'm going to just text in to the same phone number that we're using for our Avochato account. What that's going to do is create a new conversation in Avochato. And here it comes. So this conversation, because of the automation we set up already, created a case in Salesforce. Now, this case got routed to me through Omni-Channel assignment. And what you'll see here on the right-hand side is the Avochato widget pulls in that same conversation that we just saw within Avochato. Now, I can respond back directly from the Salesforce case, and that actually sends an SMS text message because this conversation is taking place over SMS. And that's a wrap. So please feel free to reach out to our team if you have any questions. Thanks.